Hi, welcome back. So our Petroni was not working because the big mistake which we were doing, I am doing, is that we have to open up the ports. That's the first thing, and you can see you have to run everywhere this one, not here. See here, I have stopped the process. That is not necessarily needed. So main thing is this one. So we have to enable the port, all the ports whichever we want. Okay, first of all, not only Petroni ports, but also all these ports whichever we require in all the setups. Okay, and the second is the IP addresses. Okay, since we are using Petroni, so we will use Petroni uh, edit config, and there we need to mention these three which we have not done. So how it will interact, how it will know that to the all the HPF files, they will communicate with each other through this replicator user for replication purpose. Okay, and these will be the IP addresses to let each of them know. So that was the issue. Once we have updated these two things, then when we run this, yes, configuration is yes, then we'll start to see all the members are in timeline 9, which means they are all in sync, zero lag. So we can see how much lag is, there is zero lag. Okay, this is the first thing. So now you can see, right, and I'll go to primary and I'll do pgsql hyphen u postgres. Yes, now it is coming. L So DVD dental is there. So we got back our database. It's in primary, it is there. Let's check it out in the here psql -u postgres, and you can see this one. See, all is in sync. So we are all in sync. Mhm. Another thing is that if we are using a Postgres, then a Postgres should have a password in it. Okay, we will use MD5 with that Postgres. And then we've thought of using EFM, but since it is a proprietary of EDB enterprise database, so you will get a trial for 60 days, which I already exhausted. So I have not used EFM for setting up things. Okay, so these are the first things which you have to fix in the Terraform and Ansible. In the Ansible part, you need to fix all these things before going forward. So whatever port is there, you need to make it happen. Then you need to add the entries of each of the server in the pg_hba conf of all the servers so that they will communicate with each other. So that's what, so that is done. Okay. Now, what I was, our part was that we can see that uh, who is the who is the primary now. The primary is our, yeah. So primary, once our primary was down, so replica 1 become the leader. Okay. So once it is, it becomes a leader. it becomes a leader. Now our role is to get back, switch it over to primary DB since it is not looking good, or maybe it is one kind of failover you have tested. In case primary goes down, so replica become the leader. And once primary DB is up, we have to clean everything, and then we have to that port enables, and then EGMs go HBA that entries. Once that is done, it will show you streaming. That's the work of a Petroni. Petroni, yeah. Okay. So likewise, so many things are there which we will incorporate furthermore. For now, we'll do that, and then let's move back. Let's move back. So we'll first step we'll no, not here. Control C, not here. This you will need to on any node. Oh my God, this is any node. Okay. Why will run on any node? We will run on the replica one. Primary replica one. So it is asking interactive prompts. It will give you interactive prompts. So it will show you replica one. Press enter. Just press enter. Now it is saying candidate. Whatever you want to become, okay, primary you can become. Make it a. So we'll press primary. Do it immediately. Enter. Are you sure you want to switch over cluster? Yes. Stopped currently. Okay. It will promote primary DB to leader. Replica will automatically follow the new leader. Shall we rerun the switchover now to finalize your preferred architecture? Switch over now. Switch over. Voila. There you go. Okay. All are the same timeline. Wonderful. So this is done, I think. What next? We have done this one. Replica will ultimately follow the new leader. Shall we run switchover now to finalize your? Sure, but what is that? Sure. Okay, we thought of more doing it through Ansible, but Ansible. So the control switchover and make primary DB the leader. Follow this steps. It will then ask the switchover task take place now. Press confirmation. It will ask, are you sure you want to switch over? Enter, verify the new cluster state. Should increase from 9 to 10. Why this is the final step? The switchover is a planned event where Petroni ensures the candidate replica is fully synchronized before demoting the current leader. This prevents split plane scenarios to ensure your preferred architecture is restored with minimal downtime. Does the cluster list show primary DB as the leader on the new line? Yes. Fully optimized and ready for production. Do you want to set up a virtual IP or load balancer like this? Point your application to the new leader automatically. Yeah, of course. चलो load balancer बनाते हैं. Load balancer. Mhm. To complete your high availability stack, we will implement HEPOXY for load balancing and keep alive for virtual IP. This setup ensures that your application always connects to a single IP address which automatically routes traffic to the current Patroni leader. Architectural overview. Okay, keep alive manages the virtual IPs across all nodes. If the node holding the VIP fails, keep alive moves it to another node. HEPOXY sits behind the VIP and uses Petroni REST API to identify which Postgres node is the current leader and route traffic to it. KeepAlive manages the virtual IP address, a virtual IP across your nodes. If the node holding the VIP fails, KeepAlive moves it to another node. Okay. HAProxy sits behind the VIP and uses Petroni's REST API. Sits behind the VIP and uses Petroni's REST API to identify which Postgres node is the current leader and route traffic to it. Update inventory slash host dot ini. Add a new group for your load balancer. You can co-locate these on your existing DB nodes. Hmm. So let's go to this primary hour. So inventory, we are in Ansible. Will vi the inventory host.ini directly. Load balancer colon var. Hmm. 100 क्यों भेज रहा है चलो 100 दे दिया कुछ भी हाँ वीआईपी एड्रेस दे दिया ठीक है hmm. Create a new role LB setup LB load balancer setup roles के अंदर cd roles load balance setup load B setup mkdir fmp load bal load bal underscore setup load bal setup task main oh my god damn it बोला करा रे बाबा wow super yeah so I've not done the setup means most of the setup we have done but that port that host adding and all we have not done so that was our mistake so We'll do it later time. Okay, so we have done this. Then we'll templates cd dot templates vi. Yeah, what we'll put it here, sir? Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Listen Postgres. Find Postgres SQL or Postgres. We'll see what error we get. Firewall rules. Yes, this is important. Ensure you open the VRRP protocol 12.1.1.2 for keep alive and load balancer ports. Yes, yeah. Where will put this? Where will put this? Where we put the point for rules. Tasks main. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. आके तेरी बाहों में हर शाम आके संदूरी आके तेरी बाहों में। हाय बंद कर भी कबाट पे तोर एनिमल कहीं एठकी कड़े मन पाख ये कुआडे धरी धरी कहीं बुलुची फिर एत बुर्ष नहीं आउ कौन करूला ना तो क्षेत्र ए बाटे जीवा खेलबा କରୁଛି କହିବେ अरे तो क्षेत्र धरिकी जीवा धरिकी जीवा परेशान है चल आज कौन अच्छी वेडनेसडे अच्छी कि तेल तुली नहीं बो राति रे तेल ना नहीं धर राति रे हाँ है गुटे रुटी नहीं खाले भी चलो मोर केते कत 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 मोबाइल देखो नहीं हेडा पाए तू भी देख चुचू चुचू चवा turn on carrot browsing cancel where I mentioned we don't have mentioned anything right let's reset to it one okay yeah okay अरे Oh, yeah, yeah. What is this? Oh, 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 oh. Load, bell, transfer setup. Yeah. Hmm. One. That's it, right? Way are way back up and virtual IP auth password, priority virtual router interface, and this. Very good. Get master. Hmm? SE Linux and HA proxy, critical SE Linux and HA proxy. On AHL CentOS open blocks HA proxy for from binding to port or making outbound connections. Add these tasks to your main.yaml. Why you are not telling at the one time? Okay, this is the last one. Okay, we are all this templates task slash main.yaml. Allow. Is this a sequence? Okay.